we are gonna transform this 1985 380 SL Mercedes into a showpiece. And this is about to go through a huge restoration and refurb, repaint. It's gonna be beautiful. We're talking seats, paint, rims, redoing the top, the metalwork, bumpers. This is gonna be awesome, and you're gonna get to follow it. We're gonna turn this thing into a beautiful driving machine for the owner of this car. This is a beautiful car, but what I really love about it is the owner that is having us redo this car is gonna drive it, enjoy it. It's gonna be wandering around Sarasota and people are gonna get to see this car. But what we're doing to this is really gonna make this a magnificent example of the 380 SL. This thing is going to be a beautiful driver example of a classic Mercedes.
All right, so we're gonna give you guys a day one update of what we did on the Mercedes. So basically, we stripped it all down completely, from basically the back bumper to the trunk, deck lid, front bumper, headlights, rocker panels are out. Basically, hard tops off. We're just gonna strip it all down, give it a nice, beautiful coat of some paint here. But yeah, you guys stay tuned and hope you guys enjoy the videos.
Guillermo has been taking this car down, and what that means is we've been DA in the paint, blocking, so it's kind of a combination of cut and block and cut and block. So as we're taking it down, not only are we keeping the body straight, but we're getting it even straighter with the processes that we use. And so as we're bringing this down, we're really bringing our expertise to, as we take it down, keep the body straight, but also fix some of the imperfections that happen when you have a car that's from the 1980s.
So basically, the next step was done. So, we threw our filler primer on the car, and then we did a basic dyed coat, a black dyed coat all through the car. So when we go to start block sanding the car, it's gonna show us all the low spots and all the damage where none of the filler primer filled, and then that's when we come in and, we work our magic to make this thing look like a museum piece.
We shoot the parts all at the same time so that we have the same humidity, same temperature, same gun pressure. Everything is identical mix. So as we go through here, you're seeing that, we apply the seal coat, then we come back and we apply several coats of base. In this particular application, it's at least 3 coats of base and sometimes more, because red is arguably the most translucent of colors. And so any derivative of red, you've got to get enough on there to make sure that it's even and you've got good coverage. Then with the clear coat, in this particular application, we put down what's called a tack coat, which is a light coat of clear, and then a medium wet coat, and then a heavy coat. And when you do it the way we do it, it limits runs, sags. What we want is we want ultimate clarity. I've been around long enough that I know the old school ways that in a lot of ways are a lost art now. When I combine that with the new state-of-the-art stuff that's out there, it really gives me the ability to deliver an old school project, but using the best of technology. And so I have blending techniques that quite honestly aren't even taught in schools anymore. I learned them from guys that honestly, my mentors have been dead for 20, 30 years. I mean, I hate to age myself, but all my mentors are dead and they died of old age. I mean, and so now I'm kind of the old school guy, but I've kept up with the new ways of doing things. Now, as you can see, everything's out of paint and we've started final buff and polish. So what you're gonna realize is, okay, this thing is really starting to slick out here, and Eddie's in the process of buffing the hood. So this is what's our first pass of buffing. We're getting ready to start buffing the top over here, and as you kind of come back here, you can kind of see what we got going on here, and Eddie's back here doing his magic. As you can see, when this thing is done, it is just going to be absolutely gorgeous color on this car. This is the factory color. What we're laying out, prettier than when this thing came out of the factory. We high-speed buff, but we don't go really fast. We've got better techniques. We massage, but I'll tell you what, this thing is just coming up gorgeous. This guy here is our shop ace on buffing. And so we're just getting all this stuff up, and then we're gonna start putting this car back together, and we've still got a ways to go. We still have to polish all the plastic, polish all the trim, and then all that's gonna be going back on. The rims and tires are gonna be coming off this machine. We're gonna dismount the tires. We're gonna strip and reshoot the rims so that they're all factory fresh as well, and then we'll remount the tires, balance them. And then she's going across to the other building to our upholstery shop to have new leather seat covers fitted to these seats. So we're gonna have factory fresh interior as well. We just finished these seats out. Now this is a kit that comes from the manufacturer, so it is just like OEM, but I'll tell you what, it ain't seat covers, it is some assembly required. So there was a lot of sewing and fitting went on to get these seats to fit, but I'll tell you what, we get these back in the car, this is gonna look gorgeous.
As we were finishing this car, I get the call that my new baby boy is coming into Earth, my baby Elias. So there was a little bit of setback for me. I had to go run to the hospital, but I'm back. We did an artistic job on this thing, I'll tell you what. We did an incredible wet sand and buff. I'm talking about a deep 3-stage buff on this thing. You can see this thing came out like a mirror. It is beautiful.
I am so excited. We are about to deliver this beautiful 3D SL Mercedes to its owner. And I'll tell you what, it's gonna be like a move that bus moment when he comes and sees this thing, because this thing has just turned out gorgeous. And you talk about a team effort. Every single person on my team had a major role. I mean, the detailing department, the paint and body department, everybody had their hands on this car. We've massaged the body, reprimed, repainted, cleared. We did a lot of cool things in the engine compartment as well, the trunk. The top came off. It got a brand new headliner. Look at these beautiful new seats. I mean, you talk about a before and after. This interior is popping now. We've got a bunch of great projects coming up. We've got some cool cars. You can see an AAR Cuda in the background just getting ready to start. That's gonna be a neat ride, but man, airplane fans, we got some cool aviation stuff coming up. We're gonna be doing some restoration work on my Yak. We're gonna be working on the Strike Master. We've got a jet coming in. We got some really cool things. First flight of the Cherokee is coming up, so stay tuned. We got some really cool stuff coming for both sides of the fence, aviation and automotive. If you're enjoying our channel, please mash that subscribe button, tell your friends about it, and we'll see you on our next video.